Hello everyone, Steve here, and today I thought we'd play a little game which is all about sound. Now what I've got with me are some things that we can find around the house, and let me show you what I've got. You might want to write these down. So I've got some buttons, I've got some paper clips, I've got some nails, I've also got some salt, I've got some porridge oats, and I've got some uncooked pasta. So there's 6 things. Let's try write these down. We have buttons, we have paper clips, we have nails, we have salt, we have porridge oats, and some uncooked pasta. 6 different things. Now what I'm going to do is put one of these things into a little container and shake it. What I'd like you to do is guess what you think is in that container. Will it be buttons? Will it be paper clips? Or nails? Or salt? Or porridge oats? Or the pasta? So, here's the first one. Are you ready? Listen carefully and see if you can guess what's inside the container. I'll do that again. So what do you think is inside the container? Did you guess? I'll give you the answers at the end. Are you ready to listen for the second one? Here we go. I'll do that again. Now, what do you think was in the container this time? Here we go with number 3. Now listen carefully. I'll do that once more. Now what do you think's in it this time? Are you ready for number 4? Here we go. I'll do that once more for you. What do you think there was in it this time? Are you ready for number 5? Here we go. I'll do that once more again for you. Now what do you think was in the container this time? Now this is the 6th and last guess. So by now, if you've written all 6 down and you have 5 different answers, there should only be 1 left. Now see if you can guess what's in the container this time. I'll do that again. Did you guess? Did you guess what number 1 was? It was porridge oats. Number 2 was nails. Number 3 was salt. Number 4 was buttons. Did you guess right? Number 5 was pasta. Number 6, and the last one, was paper clips. Now that you've played that game, why not try and find different materials and different things around your house? Find a small container and play the game with your friends. But if you're using items like buttons, try and find different sized buttons and see if they make the same noise or a different noise. You could try this with all sorts of things around the home. There are breakfast cereals, there are buttons, there are all sorts of pieces of stationery that you could try out. But just try and understand what makes the different noise. Is it the fact that material is hard or soft? Would it make a difference if their grains of sugar were larger or smaller? And what about grains of sand if you tried to use sand? Would they make a difference? See if you can find as many different materials as you can and do the same experiment and try it out on your friends. Have fun now. Bye bye.